Today we are going to discuss how to create the account groups in a Tally package. Go to Gateway of Tally, click on Accounts Info from the masters. Accounts Info dialog box will get into display. Click on Groups option. Here the group dialog box will get into appear that contain single group creation and multiple groups creation. If you would like to create the single group, click on Create button from single group. If you would like to create more than one accounting group, click on Create button from multiple groups. But now here click on Create button to create the single group. When you click on to the Create button, the group creation screen will get into appear. Here in this, before going to create the group, the configuration is available. Just click on Configuration button. Here provide aliases along with the name. If you set it as a yes, the group creation is available you to enter the group name along with aliases. Aliases in the sense nicknames. So here if you would like to write, set it as a yes. If you set it as a no, that display only the group name and does not display the aliases. So if you would like to aliases along with the group name, just go for the configuration. Here set it as a yes, press the enter key. Now here in this, if you enter the name, for example fixed deposit, press the enter key. Now it will ask you to enter the alias in the sense nickname. Now here I will enter FD. Suppose you would like to enter the other aliases, enter here. Or if you would like to enter the aliases with the other languages, again go for the configuration. Here provide aliases for name, click on S, press the enter key. Now if you press the enter key, it will display the list of languages. Select the language. Now I will select Kannada. Here it will available you to enter the nickname in Kannada. Tevani, just enter you have to enter the aliases. Like this the other languages are available you to enter. Again press the enter key, end of list. Now under in which you are going to enter, here the under option will providing you to select in which category the group will enter. Now fixed deposit, the fixed, if the organization going to deposit the surplus money, you need to select the deposit in bracket asset. Just you have to select it, press the enter key. In the deposit in bracket, that is the asset. Then here in this group behave like a subledger. Now here in this the accounting group fixed deposit, we need to be enter the customer who have deposited into the bank. The detail we may going to be enter, or sometime here the deposit concerning with for the asset, we are going to do the deposit to the other organizations or the bank concerns. So here if you would like to maintain the individual ledgers for the separate different banks, you have to set it as a yes. Then net debit credit balances for reporting. If you would like to get the report the surplus and deficit money, that is a net debit and credit balances, set it as a yes. If you would like to going to do the calculations so like taxes, discount or interest, set it as a yes. Then again method of allocate when used in purchase invoice, here in this fixed deposit is not going to use for the entering the purchase invoices, so set it as a not applicable. Now at the end, click on yes button. If you click on yes button, the fixed deposit group is getting to create. Now that is created. Like this, you have to create the number of groups in accounting groups into the Tally package. If you would like to know whether that group is created, the second option in this we are going to discuss, that is display the groups. Display, if you click on to the display option, the list of group will be get into display. Here in this, that will get into displayed with the fixed deposit. See, fixed deposit we have created, along with alias we have entered, so FD is also get into displayed into the list of groups. If you select FD and press the enter key, that will get open with what? Fixed deposit group. Or if you click on fixed deposit option, that the same get into appear. So here this, that available you to display the group from the list by using the alias name or the account group name. Both options are available you to display the group in the Tally. And third option is alter the group. Alter in the sense, if you would like to do certain changes, the group which you have created, that is available, just use with alter option, that display the list of groups. Here in this, in the list of groups, now I would like to alter fixed deposit. Select it from the list of group, press the enter key. The group alteration screen get into display. Now here I would like to alter the alias. I don't want to display the alias and the other languages. How to setting it? Just go for the configuration. Here set provide alias along with name. Set it as a no option. Provide language alias for the name. Set it as a no option. Provide advanced information master, yes. Now name fixed deposit, press the enter key, remove it, press the enter key. That we are going to use what? Only the name. Under option, same as it is. Now group behavior like a subledger, that is yes option. Then debit credit balance report we need, set it as a yes. Now I don't want to use the calculations, set it as a no, remain as it is. See, here in this I made changes, left out or remove the alias names, and again change the calculations. Now I have clicked on to the yes option. When click on yes option, the group is altered. See, earlier in the list of group FD displayed, but here now it display only fixed deposit, FD not get into appear, because the alias we have get into removed from the alteration option. So like this we have to alter the group. Likewise, if you would like to create the multiple groups at a time, here the multiple group option is available. How to do that? For example, now I would like to create the two more ledgers, two more groups, such as saving bank deposits, recurring deposits. I would like to create two groups at a time. How to do that? In the multiple groups, click on create button. Now under group option, that is in which category the group what we are going to create, that applicable. So in the multiple group creation, first we need to select the kind of a group. Under group deposit, that is considered as a set. Now name of a group, here enter the name of group. I will enter saving deposits. Under fixed asset, under the deposit in bracket, that is asset. Then again recurring deposit. A recurring deposit. Right, now I have created two groups at a time using the multiple group creation option and press the enter key. If you press yes button, saving deposits and recurring deposit, two groups have get into create. See, now they have created such multiple group. What you have created, you may get into display single. How? Just click on display option. Here in this I have created recurring, isn't it? So go for the recurring deposit option. See, recurring deposit, that is to be available. Saving deposit is available. Here this is a saving deposit displayed, and recurring deposit, that is also get into displayed. So now in the recurring deposit and saving deposits, now I would like to open recurring deposit. Select it and press the enter key. Now that is display recurring deposit under the group deposit assets. So like this we may get into create the multiple groups at a time and display such a group individually, or we may get into display multiple groups simultaneously from the main group. For example, now I would like to display the multiple groups. Click on display and here select deposit assets. You know, in the deposit assets we have created three, that are fixed deposit, saving bank deposit and recurring deposit. Just get into select, press the enter key. Fixed deposit individually we have created by single group option, recurring deposit, saving deposit. So here like this we may get into display the multiple groups at a time using the display option from multiple groups. Likewise the alter option is also available. You will to alter more than one groups. Click on alter, that display list of group. Click on deposit, press the enter key. Here in this I would like to alter, that is what, fixed deposit as it is, recurring as it is. Now I would like to change saving deposits, change into saving bank deposit. Now I will get into change saving bank deposits. Press the enter key. So here that is available you to alter the multiple groups at a time. Click on yes option. Now like this we can create the group, display the group and alter the group by single and by multiple options. But how to delete the group? To delete the group, the multiple group we does not going to delete at a time. If you would like to delete the group, the single group alteration method is best suitable. Here in this click on alter option. Now I would like to delete fixed deposit. Select it from the list of group, press the enter key. The group alteration screen get into display. Here in this I did not created any ledgers, so far as it is easily available you to get into delete, but the main group cannot be get into deleted. The subgroup what we have created, they may be get into delete. Here when you come to the group alteration screen, press Alt D option, that display delete dialog box. Click on yes option. When you click on yes option, the group get into deleted and disappear from list of groups. See, here there is no fixed deposit I have get into deleted. Like this we can get into delete the group. So these are the common method we are going to apply for groups: to create the group, display the group, alter the group and delete the group. So this is much more enough to understand. You have better understand by this.